Hello and happy Thursday. Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and we are making something actually very cool. I stumbled upon this, and it is a barbecue chicken with a peach feta slaw. So actually the slaw is not coleslaw like we're traditionally used to. I have broccoli slaw. So it looks kind of like this. And it's actually shredded broccoli, and there's some carrots in this as well. I got this at the grocery store. I did not shred it myself, but it is fabulous. So we are going to make, and I'm doing barbecue chicken. So you can actually put any protein with this that you want. If you want salmon, if you want a white fish, if you want to do pork, you can do that. Even if you wanted to do beef, you could totally do that. So we are going to put this together really quick today. This is delicious, low carb if that's what you're looking for. That's not what I was planning, but it is absolutely delicious. It's fresh and it has peaches and everything in it. So let's make our slaw very first. We're gonna let it kind of marinate on the side while we grill our chicken. This comes together very super quick. It is a 20-minute or less recipe, depending on how fast you're hustling through the kitchen. And when it comes together, it is so full of flavor, and it has bacon in it. Again, with the bacon, I love the bacon. So, and make sure while we're getting this rolling and we're about to ready to put this slaw together, real quick, subscribe down below. You don't want to miss any of these hot bites. Some are hot, some are cold, some are sweet, some are savory. Make sure you don't miss any of them. Click subscribe down below. Give me some likes. Love talking to you down in the comments. Let's get cooking. Okay, our slaw is all put together. We're gonna go ahead and chill it and set it aside. Now we're gonna get our chicken going. Again, this is so super easy. What did we put? 5 ingredients in the slaw. Done. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook our chicken up, and you're gonna see how fast this comes together. So let's go ahead and go and get that done. Okay, let's build our final plate. So we're gonna take some of our slaw, Doesn't that look gorgeous? A couple more peaches. All right, now we're going to take some of our chicken. We're going to sprinkle some chives over the top. We can't forget our awesome crumbled bacon. So we're going to take a little bacon, crumble it over the top. And last but not least, a little feta cheese to pull it all together. And dinner is served. Let's give it a taste. This is one of the best summer hot or cold bites you're gonna get. So we have all of our ingredients together. We have all the flavors that come together. Super fresh. Again, you can pick any protein that you want on this. If you don't like chicken, pick pork or beef or fish or whatever you'd like. I mean, salmon would be delicious on this as well. I'm gonna have to try that. But let's give this a taste. We wanna get everything in one bite. This is the perfect one right here. A little bacon, a little cheese. Okay, here we go. So good. You have the tang of the peach, that kind of bitter savory of the cheese, the sweet of the barbecue sauce, salty of the bacon. The bite you're gonna come back to again and again. And I will see you next Thursday. And thank you for being here. Actually, you might see me on Monday. That's been happening a lot lately for those of you that have been keeping up. So anyhow, I hope you had a wonderful week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend coming up. And most of all, I love you guys and let's keep cooking.